Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Wow, the sun is beaming. It is so bright outside. By the way guys, if you're liking Vlogmas, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have so many more videos coming, and I have a lot of videos coming next year, 2022, so subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post a lot of like random funny videos on there. I post a lot of random mini hair tutorials, makeup videos, just a bunch of like mini videos on there, so definitely check out my Instagram and my TikTok. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying this very interesting attachment from Dyson. I don't know why it took me so long to try this, but is this something that I need? Like, I feel like I should be just fine with a brush and maybe a straightener, but I don't know, maybe this is amazing. I guess we're gonna find out today. So this is supposed to bring down your flyaways, and this is like day 3 hair, so my hair is like a little bit, you know, it's not like super sleek. This is what we're working with today. Let's turn this on. I feel like this video is going to be super short. I mean, I'm just trying this attachment, and this is just basically going to make my hair look a little bit more sleek. So let's try it. This is the Dyson Supersonic, and this retails for about $400, which is, I know it's a little bit pricey, but this blow dryer is so good. It's so worth it. If you're looking for a blow dryer that is good for like blowing out your hair, like maybe with a regular brush and a blow dryer, this one is definitely probably one of my favorite ones. And this is the one that I use with my diffuser attachment when I leave my hair natural. So yeah, I love this one. And this attachment was about 40 bucks. So yeah, I'm gonna link it down below. I got it from the Dyson website. So I'm gonna turn it on. I don't know if you can see, but the hair is like sticking to the attachment. This is actually kind of good. I mean, it's pretty good. This is not just like a brush. I still gotta do all my hair, but this has a really cool technology. Like the air comes out from here, and then it also kind of has like the Kawanda effect a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep going, but so far I like this attachment. I feel like it really does make my hair a lot more smooth. At the same time, it's like drying it and smoothing it with like hot air. So it's not the same as just using a brush, because it is kind of giving you like that blowout effect. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep going, but I like that this shape kind of shapes the ends a little bit. So yeah, it's actually very clever. So I'm gonna just keep using this, and let's see how my hair looks. Wow. Very smart. I've never seen something like this. Genius. Okay, so here's one side done pretty much. So yeah, it looks a lot more smooth than when I started this video. And here's the other side. As you can see, I do have more flyaways on this side than this side. That's crazy. Like, I actually really like this. I feel like I would only be able to use this like in the winter though, because my hair is very curly, and in the summer my hair just gets super frizzy. I don't even like straighten it that much in the summer because it's like so pointless. Like, I'll straighten it and then it's like I walk outside and the humidity just makes my hair super frizzy and poofy, so it's like not worth it for me in the summer. But in the winter, I can see myself using this to like touch up my blowout throughout the week. and that way I don't have to put extreme heat on my hair. This is like super gentle on your hair, so that's pretty nice. So if you have curly hair, I feel like you would only maybe benefit from this or use this in the winter and like the colder weather. But if you have pretty straight hair already, or even like wavy hair and your hair doesn't get super frizzy in the summer, then you might be able to use this like year round. So far I do like it. So I'm gonna do this side now. Yeah, it looks better already. Yeah, this definitely helps to bring down flyaways, but at the same time it has a little bit of heat from the blow dryer, so it is kind of like shaping your blowout a little bit. It's like a perfect tool to use if you want to just like touch up your blowout throughout the week, and if you just want something that's going to be very gentle on your hair. I was able to use this super quickly and it gave me some nice results. So I don't know what else to tell you guys. I mean, I really did like using this, but I feel like I would only use it like now in the winter if I really want to like quickly, you know, get a smooth, nice look. My hair even looks shinier. Don't you guys think it looks shinier? I mean, maybe you couldn't see the shine earlier because of all the flyaways and frizziness and stuff. Yeah, it definitely looks like if I almost just did a blowout. I feel like if you have curly hair like me, you would definitely end up using this more in the winter when you like blow it out more. Or I mean, if you're able to go out in the summer with straight hair and not get frizzy hair, then definitely try to use this just to make your hair more smooth. If you have like wavy and straight hair, you will definitely love this, because if you just want to touch up your hair and not add extreme heat to your hair like with a straightener or something like that, this is going to give you a nice sleek look. It's going to add a little bit of heat just to make it more smooth, and it is going to help with flyaways. So yeah, this is a big thumbs up for me. If you have the Dyson Supersonic, definitely get this attachment. I feel like it's worth it. Just pay, you know, the extra 40 bucks to try this attachment, try something new. If you think you're gonna use it, if not, then, you know, don't get it. I wouldn't say to just buy the whole Dyson Supersonic just because of this attachment. I feel like if you're gonna buy this blow dryer, definitely use it for, you know, blowing out your hair with the nozzle attachment, or you can even use it with the diffuser attachment if you have like curly hair or wavy hair, just to like dry your hair with the diffuser attachment. That attachment is also amazing. But yeah, this is pretty clever. I actually really like this. I feel like my hair definitely looks a lot better, a lot more polished. Definitely check out the before and after that I'm gonna put right now on the screen. I feel like you can definitely see a difference. I literally can't see flyaways. Like, my hair just looks so smooth, and I actually really like the final look. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I don't want to make this video any longer because this was probably like the shortest video of Vlogmas. It was so quick and easy to film because this is just incredible. I mean, it literally gave me a sleek look right away. But yeah, if you're liking my channel so far, please subscribe. I want to make it to 100k subscribers. We're almost there, and I would really appreciate it if you guys could subscribe and support my channel. I love what I do. I love filming videos for you guys, and I just want to keep doing that. So yeah, subscribe, and thank you to everyone who has subscribed already to my channel. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video, which is actually tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.